How to find your profile settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your profile settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and click see your profile, and here you will find these 3 points. Click on it, and as you see here you can find your profile settings like follow settings, account status, archive and other things. And that's how to find your profile settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.